So this is such a tough time, and there's so many emotions running through us all. And I find that making abstract marks as an artist can really help me kind of connect to what I'm feeling. And so I want to give you a way to try that yourself. So what you'll need is some blank paper. This is printer paper, but any paper you have around, a journal, scrap paper, doesn't matter. So that's the start. Then any kind of device to draw with, marker, highlighter, pencil, pen. And what we're gonna do is put your paper down, grab your drawing instrument, close your eyes, and just take a few deep breaths and feel into your belly. What emotion are you feeling in there? And then use your hand on the page without opening your eyes and just take about 10 or 15 seconds to make movements with the drawing device on the paper that correspond to what you're feeling. If you don't know how to make it, just follow your hand and don't think about it. Let your hand do what it feels like doing. So only 15 seconds. And then when you're done with that, open your eyes. And then we'll look at the drawing and there'll be a second part to it, which I'll show you in a second. So that's the beginning. And now let's look at what we do. Okay, next. So what am I talking about? All right, here's what I mean. Let's say I grab my pencil, I close my eyes, I feel whatever I'm feeling, and this is what my hand wants to do. It feels tight, right? That could be the mark I end up making. Or this could be another person, might have an experience where their hand comes down to the page and they feel into the emotion and it just feels like this. It feels, I don't know what this is, meandering, and it feels like that, okay? Or somebody else might have, their hand might, it's kind of, what does your hand want to do? Your hand might just feel a little bit scritchy and it wants to make marks like this. So when you're done, you can just look at it and you can ponder, what's the word that goes with this? You know, like I said the word meandering here, but what comes into your mind? You know, you might have another word that surprises you. So think of a word, and then if you feel like it, of course, you can always have a little fun and draw a box around whatever you drew. And then, like so, just draw the box there. And then draw a line down here. I did 3 because I'm trying to show you 3 different ways of looking at it. And then you can draw a little figure down here, a box and a circle and a couple of legs, and you can pretend you're in the art museum. But that's kind of a joke, this thing down here. Really what I want you to do is just see if you can let your hand connect to the feeling that's in your belly without looking at the page, so you don't judge yourself. Keep your eyes closed and then look at the page and then think about, oh, wow, yeah, this is kind of like a wave, you know, and this is kind of like, I do feel a little bit like a ship on the sea tossed in the wave. See if you can interpret anything. Show it to somebody else. Ask them, what do you see? So that's your assignment. Give it a try and let me know what you think, how it goes for you. Okay, bye.